Hi everyone, welcome back to my another video. Today I'm going to show in this video how to fix Snapchat device ban on your Android. So before going to start the video, if you're not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you want to fix Snapchat device ban, then I'll show you how to fix this issue. First of all, what you have to do, you have to just long press on your Snapchat, then click on this I button. Once tap on force stop, tap on OK. Here you will find storage and cache, tap on that. Once tap on clear cache, then tap on clear storage. If you know your Snapchat user ID and password, then tap on delete. If you don't know your user ID and password, just cancel it. Open your Play Store. Then search for Snapchat. If it is not up to date, then update it. After updating, then go back. Tap on the settings. Scroll down. In this, you will find your system, tap on that. Then tap on date and time. Once you have to turn off this set time automatically option, then set your date and time manually. After setting your date and time manually, then check. After doing this, hope your issue will be resolved. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix Snapchat device ban on your Android. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.